Linda has nice lips, but her upper lip is a little bit flat. And when she animates, do you have any big plans this weekend?
Just going to the beach.
Okay, so you can see when she talks, you can see it unmasks this volume loss up here. She looks a little bit ducky when she talks, and so our goal is to get volume up here to feather in this area in the cutaneous upper lip, and then we're going to do some threads to restore the vermilion border in the upper lip, and then she has a little bit of volume loss down here in the mental crease. So again, we're going to be using a micro cannula, and I have a 22 gauge needle. And I've already done lidocaine with epinephrine. That's why you see this little bit of whiteness here from the epinephrine stick. Okay. And now I'm going to be using I'm going to use Juvederm Ultra Plus 50-50 blend using a 27 gauge micro cannula to restore volume in this area. Okay, and through this tiny hole that I made, go in with the cannula, and now I'm going to gently go up into the upper cutaneous upper lip and inject a little bit of antigrade. And again, my goal is to get volume right up here, just to feather in, so when she talks, she doesn't flip that upper lip. Done about 0.2. Good. And even up here, there's a little bit of volume loss. I'm going to turn my cannula, get up here, and very gently put about 0.1 there. And now, tell me again what you're going to be doing this weekend?
Heading over to the beach. Gonna have a picnic.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see, just with that little bit of animation, smoother in there, that lip doesn't
And the
act
shadow,
independently.
you can see that shadow is, now she has more highlighting because it's...
And even that little bit has actually given her more lip show.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to come down through that same insertion point. My goal is to get right here to the mental crease. And now my tip of the cannula is right here. I'm going to start injecting antigrade to make it a little more comfortable. This is a touchy area. Good, you're doing great, doing great, doing great. And I've even crossed the midline. Now we're done there. Okay, and now we're going to look and we're going to say, you know what, her lower lip looks good, but you can see these vertical lines in her lower lip. So we're going to do a technique called submucosal sheeting. And what this is getting that cannula right into the submucosal space. So I'm right there. You can actually even see the tip of my cannula. And again, I'm injecting antigrade. You can see the tip of my cannula. It's almost like applying lipstick from the inside when you do this technique. So it's a way to provide very subtle volume to the lower lip and soften those lines without making people look overdone or unnatural. Again, very, very nice technique. Good, good, good. Okay. Can I get, we're going to need two more
Big
of those
difference?
30,
Oh, yeah.
38s. And I'm gonna two more total for the other side. And I'm gonna complete this by, this won't hurt. I'm gonna complete this by just doing a PDO thread to restore the vermilion border of the upper lip. Through that same insertion point we go in, and now I'm just gonna direct this cannula right into the vermilion border. I'm using my non-dominant hand to help guide. It's a little touchy. There we go. Done. And so we just
Don't
put
feel it.
we put a little thread right here.
Nice.
Good, good, good. Okay. We'll move to the other side now.
We'll make it again.
Actually,
Yeah.
you know what? Maybe I won't move to this side. I mean,
Let her work for it.
Let her work for it.
okay, good. Now I'm going to stay on this side, and now I'll demonstrate. Let's do another new one.